Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious peanut biscuits. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Having everything ready before you start makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix the dough. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter, the 1/4 cup of sugar, and the 1/2 cup of peanut butter until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of milk until everything is well combined. Finally, gradually add the flour and baking powder, mixing until just incorporated. Be careful not to overmix. It's time to shape and bake your biscuits. Roll the dough into small, uniform balls, each about 1 inch in diameter. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then, gently press each ball with a fork to create that classic crosshatch pattern. Bake these delightful treats in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until lightly golden. Once baked, let your peanut biscuits cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them firm up and prevents them from becoming soggy. For optimal freshness, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. They're perfect for a snack or a sweet treat with your morning coffee. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.